Today, we're going to show you how to back up your crypto assets with our tutorial video of MemberBox. First, you need to prepare a Starteos wallet app and the MemberBox, and make sure the Bluetooth of both devices are turned on. Then go to the wallet section of the app. Click on the prompt, "Current wallet hasn't been backed up with MemberBox." Select one of the backup methods. MemberBox Pro could store up to 500 wallets. Wait for the system searching for the device. Then select the wallet you need to back up. After that, confirm the number of the wallets you need to back up, and wait for the device to write data. When the writing is completed, the data in your wallet has been successfully backed up to the MemberBox. Then how to import the wallet data from MemberBox to the Starteos wallet app, if you want to do so. First, go to the wallet section of the app. Click on Use at the top. Click on Import Wallet. Click on Use Wallet. Select MemberBox Pro as the import mode. Click on Start Importing. Wait for the system reading data. Select the wallet you want to import, and click on Confirm to finish. Then the wallet is imported successfully. Have you backed up your wallet yet?